Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, as far as what do I think about this chart, well, it's got a big it depends aspect to it. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the chart from a big picture perspective, a grand scheme of things, then sure, there is a big pullback today. But today's just 1 day, right? When you take a step back and look at multiple days, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from the big picture perspective, higher bases is how long-term uptrends are built. So, and I'm going to be talking about this from a big picture, viewpoint. So if I'm saying stuff is bullish, I very well realize that you could be thinking I'm crazy, but you got to ask yourself, well, what was my strategy going in? And like I said, it may sound crazy because there's no doubt about it. Yeah, there was a very big pullback here today, but let me do this. Zoom out the chart here a little bit and just kind of take a perspective of, let's say it pulls back some more and goes down to that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So it goes down there, bounces around a little bit, and then heads back up. Even at that point in time, even after a very drastic type pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows, down here. If you picture each one of those stair steps, then over time, again, big picture perspective, these stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So yeah, from a long-term trend building viewpoint, the bulls still have a chance, and that's the key. And on that note, definitely going forward, the purple line is a preferable area. If it doesn't, still not quite the end of the world, although the chart would start to lose quite a bit of attractiveness. But you'd still do have the pink line, which is the famous 200-period simple moving average. That's definitely the long-term indicator. Now, if the price drops below there and then starts to separate, at that point, yeah, the trend is broken and the bears are taking over. But as it stands right now, sure, the bears won the day. But as far as the war is going, because of these higher lows over time, the bulls are still winning that. So depending on where you bought, depending on what your strategy was, that's going to dictate kind of how you view this chart. But yeah, as far as the overall scope of things is concerned, bulls still have a chance to continue building this overall uptrend. So we'll see what they can do the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.